Definitely.
How do you stay true to yourself when dealing with challenging or controversial cases?
Has special training for this. Challenging and controversial cases to deal, we have a special training on this. Everyone cannot do this. Challenging cases or controversy cases. It's depend upon the personal skills. Even though I am an advocate, but every advocate cannot deals with the challenging and controversial cases, right? All the doctors cannot do the each and every treatment, right? They should have some specialization in that. So I am specially trained for this in my psychology, in my military training. So these are all my special skills to deal the challenging cases. Simply telling, every case is depend upon the 5 steps, or every case is always turn around these 5 steps. Either power or knowledge and money, justice, special interest. Any case is turn around these 5 cases only. Got it? Either the person should have a power, so by using his power he may solve his challenging or sensitive cases, right? Or he should have a knowledge to clear his challenging issues. Either he should have a money to hire some experts to deal the issues, or he should know what is justice in this case. Then in this sensitivity he can understand the perception of the problem, then he can go for this best justice. And the finally special interest. If the person who is having a challenge, if he doesn't have the interest, no one can do anything. Got my point now? Yes, go ahead.